What's up everyone, and welcome back to Great Idea. Modern furniture designers tend to create vivid, multifunctional, and space-saving furniture pieces which can also be easily transformed into something else. In this video, I've put together 10 of the most interesting and exceptional furniture designs. May they help you get some creative ideas for your home. The ultimate napping spot. With the hustle and bustle of modern life, it can truly be difficult to keep stress levels down to get the rest you need between bursts of productivity. Sure, it's important to stay productive, but it's equally important to rest and relax. And sometimes all you need to keep going is a quick afternoon power nap. This human-sized dog bed includes a high-quality 4-inch thick orthopedic memory foam covered in luxurious faux fur, along with a thick pillow border that lets users tuck their hands and feet for next level comfort. It's shaped like an oval, just like many dog beds, and it's also easy to fold up and transport with built-in handles, so you can take it to wherever you need to for your next nap. If you're sleep deprived, anxious, or just a big napper, this dog bed for humans is the perfect way to treat yourself a little bit every day. And it's an absolute must for making your afternoon power nap dreams come true. Pet-friendly office chair. Being a super creative designer type, Simone decided to create the world's first pet-friendly office chair. Simone's dog, Scraps, only has 3 legs, so it was a top priority to make the seating arrangement as accessible and comfy as possible. If Scraps can do it, so can your small pet. The pet-compatible office chair also features an additional nook by your feet, so your dog or cat can get some much-needed privacy and cozy time. Simone even customized the chair with adorable portraits of Scraps. The rear of the office pet chair has stairs for your dog or cat to easily get up and down the chair. Interested in checking out more of Simone Garrett's clever creations? Head to her YouTube channel mentioned down below in the description. Pod bed. The Kids Avenue pod bed is essentially a souped-up high sleeper bed frame that's ideal for young gamers, complete with a desk, hanging rails, and an accompanying light gray sofa bed. The contemporary-looking pod bed is red and dark gray and features a desk for computer or TV. The ladder on the side of the pod bed leads up to the top bunk sleeping area, but beneath the bed is where the fun starts. The stylish-looking sofa can be converted into a pull-out bed that faces the desk or TV area. There is storage all over this thing, from shelves to a chest, to hanging rails for clothing. Your kid no longer has an excuse for having a dirty bedroom. Under-desk hammock. You heard it here first, folks. Midday office naps are the new trend, or at least they should be. But where on earth can you take these siestas? I've tried my car, but summers are too hot and winters are too cold. Introducing the Uplift Under-Desk Hammock. Designed to be used with the brand's standing desk, this hammock will sway and hug you to sleep, letting the stress of any reviews and reports slowly drift away. Getting your napping quarters set up is quite easy. You simply need to clip the hammock onto your desk frame using the included carabiners. No drilling or heavy work is required, and it comes down just as quickly. Also included is a storage bag that stays attached to the hammock so you won't lose it amongst your papers. When using the hammock under your desk, there is a 200-pound weight limit. But this hammock doesn't need to stay just in the office. It can be taken with you and used as a regular hammock too. Cabidor. This hidden cabinet can be installed behind any door in your house, so that no one will really see it unless the door is closed. The behind-the-door cabinet installs onto your door's existing hinges, so that it swivels open and closes right with your door. When you'd like to access the cabinet, simply close your door and swivel the cabinet out to access the shelves. A magnet keeps the cabinet attached to your door without detaching it every time the door moves. The award-winning design of the behind-the-door shelving cabinet leaves no holes or marks on your door, as it simply attaches to your door's existing hinges. Simply select the appropriate option you'd like to purchase on this page to choose your preference. The hidden cabinet system are easily installed within minutes without requiring any special tools or skills, and comes with 6 adjustable shelves and 2 fixed shelves that can be used on right or left hinge doors. It weighs around 25 pounds and measures 70 inches tall by 16 inches wide and 4 inches thick. The picture table. The picture table is a large picture frame that can detach from the wall and fold out into a table. Simply unfold the 4 legs of the table located on the front of the frame. Detach the top of the frame from the wall and ease it down to the floor using the bottom part of the frame that is still attached to the wall as a lever. Perfect for homes, condos, or apartments with little space that needs to be used sparingly. The picture table can comfortably seat up to 6 people without having any evidence of a table left over once finished using it. Once done with the table, just lever the table body back up onto the wall, snap the 4 legs back into place, and you're back to just having a large picture frame on your wall, with room for all sorts of activities on the floor. Desk with a hidden chair. For those who live in the city, space-saving solutions are an absolute must, and our next feature is worth looking into. Introducing the Ludovico Transforming Cabinet Office from the fold-out office space. It includes 2 full drawers and a filing cabinet in the bottom drawer. When it folds out, it reveals a desktop coming on from the other side and a chair that slides right out from between the filing cabinet and the drawers, making for a perfect space-saving solution for students, work-from-home employees, and about anyone with the limited room. It's made from wood, and you can buy the transforming desk in 3 separate panel finish styles: natural wood and white, glossy white, and regular white. Additionally, the cabinet includes 4 easy-to-roll wheels, making this portable desk simple to move around. Victoria Smart Table. This unique side table not only looks super modern and classy, but it also has an integrated Bluetooth speaker. It's called the Victoria Bluetooth Speaker Table and will add a bit of innovative modern technology to your living room, bedroom, or wherever you place it. It has a distinctive mid-century design that'll play your favorite tunes using a powerful internal speaker. The smart side table features 2 USB ports on the side of it, where you can charge your smartphone, tablet, or other devices while they rest on top of the table. Space-saving bookcase. If you've been here before, you know that there's nothing that we love more than a good space-saving invention or design that's dual purpose, and that's just what we have with this incredible new bookcase. It's essentially a dining or lunch table with chairs that all slide inside a bookcase when not in use. It's called the As If from Nowhere bookcase, and the table and chairs slide perfectly into slots within the bookcase so that you'd never know that they're there. Besides a few highlighted colors or the edge of the bookcase, the Hideaway Table and Chairs bookcase was designed by Orla Reynolds, who was a designer based out of Dublin, Ireland. The Hideaway Table and Chair bookcase feature a full dining set with a table and 4 chairs, a full bookcase with 16 different compartments for storage, a unique adaptable configuration, and an incredible space-saving design. Unique Japanese table. Elegance, simplicity, and functionality. No 3 words better describe this Hasu Japanese-inspired tea table. At first glance, it looks like a table or maybe a minimalist fire pit. Once you get closer and start pulling on surfaces, everything starts making sense. This is a complete tea table that folds out to its full size and offers seating for 4. After extending the table, you gain access to the interior chambers. Hidden inside are 4 teacups, a complete tea kettle, and a heating element. Everything you need to prepare and serve tea gets securely stored inside this set. The table actually uses solid wood and aluminum. These materials are known for being lightweight, incredibly durable, and really strong. The table allows you to focus on what really matters, enjoying time with people you love. When you're done, everything folds up neatly and you're left with a piece of art on your patio.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.